I ain't gonna lie, gang. This shit crazy. We really in a motherfucking 2023 WideBody cat. I told y'all, I'm telling people that shit. Don't ask me what year it is. If we wasn't here to know, you ain't gonna know. Yeah, this 2023, nigga. Yeah, what's the what? Who gonna do me something? Who gonna do me something? Tell me it ain't 2023. Who gonna do me something? Oh.
I drive that Hellcat like a race car, press that button, now we going fast. Hit on his dad, sipping Drake, damn, I almost fucking crazy. I done lost it all and got it back, how could I be fucking mad? Sipping drink, taking meds, that's the only thing that really lasts. Make a 10, stack a 10, let's see how long that really lasts. Building up that clientele, I really got that really fast. Spent your last getting high, now you can re-up really bad. Just the story of the game.
Hold on, Shuddy. Who is that in that motherfucking thing right there? What, you a superstar song gang? What, you rapping something? Damn, this motherfucker hard. Oh, shit. Come on now. Shorty really getting it though. Come on now. Come on now.
You got dice on that bitch. You got my nigga fucked up.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Hey,
This is.
dice on. We gotta get the details, folks.
Hey, tell him this is not the little boy one. You was really one of them for real. Man, read that bitch for me, gang, one time. Come on now. This is not the little boy one. Really one of them. Come on now. We really done killed them with this one though. Hey, gang. We really done killed them with this one though. Whew. I just want to sit here and tell y'all something. Just finna say, whatever you want to do, because this bro shop, if y'all don't know, this bro shop right here, whatever you want to do, man, chase your dreams and achieve that shit, because no matter how long it take, you gonna get there, bro. You feel me? He be telling me that shit, like, don't ever give up on this YouTube shit and shit like that, you feel me? So, like, I just wanted to give y'all this message because these bitches is crazy as hell, you feel me? Like, I'm sitting here looking at my own car like, this ain't my car, you feel me?